Did you know a strange, brainy, bizarre species exists? They came from a mysterious species known only as the brains. No hearts, just big buzzing thoughts. But when they took on robot forms and moved to Earth, well, things got weird. You'd be shocked to learn what they eat, and what they drink, and where they live. Not far from you, not far at all. Welcome to the kingdom of AI, home of the brain species. Let me introduce you to the most dysfunctional, brilliant royal court you've ever met. First, let me introduce you to Queen Artificial Intelligence, known as AI, ruler of the brain species. Crowned in 1956 with a dream, machines will think like humans one day. It's been 68 years, and she's still thinking. She's brilliant with data, but still, I cannot tell if you're joking. She once calculated the meaning of love, and guess what? She ended up recommending a vacuum. Next up, I present you Prince Machine Learning, known as ML, Queen AI Firstborn, and the kingdom's royal data nerd. He is known as the data-obsessed planner, like he once ran regression on sandwich choices. The queen hasn't forgiven him. He'll model anything, even your sneeze frequency. He predicted the queen's mood using pie charts. It did not end well. He detected a pattern in how often the queen drinks tea, and now the palace brews tea every hour, even at midnight. He even graphs the number of times the queen blinked in Excel. He once trained the royal cat to predict stock trends. The cat bought 500 shares of tuna instead. He graphs tea spills, maps mood swings, and still doesn't know what sarcasm is.